I think is luck for you to get it right in this YouTube streets, especially to get subscribers, views, and even watch hours. But the truth is that you need to put a lot of work for you to be able to even make YouTube to recognize your channel before even recommending your channel, recommending your videos or suggesting your videos. Now, for YouTube to recommend your video and for YouTube to suggest your video, there are two different things. You have to put in those work for you to make YouTube to do its own work. First of all, the reason why YouTube puts all those features in the YouTube Studio is for you to implement it in your channel to make them notice you that you are actually making use of these features, because YouTube is not human being. YouTube is just like AI. They get notified with the features we do in the YouTube Studio. So if we are not doing things right, how will YouTube recognize your channel? That is why at times I listen to a lot of people saying that this YouTube street is not for them, YouTube is this, YouTube is that, YouTube doesn't love them, and so. The thing is that, are you doing the right thing? Are you putting everything in place? Are you putting in the work for you to even be recognized by YouTube? For you to make the algorithm to notice your video, for you to make the algorithm to love you, you need to put in those works. I'm going to be showing you how you're going to get watch hours, subscribers, and even increase your views with just these three features you need to implement in your videos. These features, you might be doing it in your video and maybe you are not getting results just because of you are not doing it the right way, and not just for you to use it, but for you to use it the right way for you to achieve good results. If you feel this video is what you like to watch, please like, subscribe, and share this video, and let me show you how to use these three features the right way for you to achieve great results. Now let's dive in. The first on our list is playlist. Now a lot of you are be hearing about playlist, right? Some of us might be using this playlist, but it's possible that you are not using this playlist well for you to achieve great results that you really want. If you've not created your playlist, I've dropped a video on how you can create your playlist, because I don't want this video to be too long. That is why I will not just put it here. I want us to understand everything bit by bit, and please, I will advise you take your time and don't skip any of these three features, because they are step by step. You have to do the first one, to do it the second one, and to also do the third one. They works together, so we have to take it step by step. After you've created that playlist, you also put it in your description. If you don't know how to put this playlist link in your description, it's really help a lot. All you need to do is for you to go to your YouTube app and click on your channel. You're going to see three dots. Then you click on that three dots, you will see edit. You click on edit. So down you see description. You can paste your playlist link there. You click on that link, it will take them directly to your playlist. Now if you are using the YouTube dashboard, all you need to do is for you to go to your YouTube Studio dashboard. Then you click on content, you will see your videos. Then you click on the video you want to put in the playlist link. Click on description, then you paste the playlist link there. This setting, it is very important, because this is what a whole lot of big YouTubers do. Imagine people that have a lot of subscribers are still doing these features. So why we small YouTubers or new YouTubers will not implement these settings or these features in their videos? We have to try to make sure we implement all of these in our video. So now I'm going to be showing you the second features, which is very important, which is optimizing your end screen. I know a lot of us might be doing this end screen, but are you doing it the right way? Are you optimizing your end screen? I'm going to be showing you that with the use of my screen record. Now let's dive into my screen record. This is the interface of our YouTube Studio dashboard, right? So you click on create, bring you to this upload videos. Click on upload videos, then you see select files. Click on select files, choose on photo library, Then we're just going to take a random video for this particular tutorial, right? So let's click on this video and click on add. So it's loading. Right now it will bring us to this place. So you see details, you see video elements, you see check, you see visibility, right? Once you put your title, you see description. Then let's go, then click on show more. Let's scroll down. Author content. No, it's not a author content. You see the standard YouTube license. Let me click on it. So you see standard YouTube license and Creative Commons license attribution. If you know that yours is in Creative Commons attribution, please change it to standard YouTube license. Reasons: you are telling YouTube that this particular video belongs to you, that you are the real owner of this particular video. So make sure you check your video before uploading it, whether it is in standard YouTube license or Creative Commons attribution. So now, why you should not leave your video in Creative Commons attribution? If you leave it in Creative Commons attribution, you are telling YouTube that anybody can use your content, and you know that that is a big risk. It can lead to demonetization if you are monetized, and it can even put your channel as a whole at risk, because somebody can take your content and claim ownership, and then YouTube is going to give you a copyright strike for that particular video, and I know you don't want that to happen, right? So make sure you always put your videos in standard YouTube license. You see subtitles, you see end screen, and you see cards. Now we want to optimize our end screen. Probably maybe you have been doing it the wrong way. Now let me show you, this is the right way to do it, that to make your video recommendable and also make your video stand out. To optimize your video, you click on this end screen. It will bring you to this place where you see different elements. You see import from latest video. You have two box, two videos, two box. Then we have one video, one playlist. We have another one video, one playlist. Then we have one video, one playlist, one subscribe, one video, one playlist, one subscribe, right? So now let's go for this one video, one playlist. You can choose any one of your choice you want. So now let's go for this one video, one playlist, and one subscribe. See why it is very important for you to create playlists, because they all work together. So now let's click on this box. Now we now see we have most recent upload. That is, if you want the most recent upload, you click on it. Then we have best for viewer. That means you're going to allow YouTube to select a video from your channel that suits the viewer. Then you have choose specific video. That is, if you want to choose a specific video by yourself that you want YouTube to recommend to your viewer. But I normally go for this best for viewer, because as a new YouTuber, you don't know the one that is best for your viewer, right? So what you need to do, you click on this best for viewer. Now YouTube is going, this particular video, see this box here, YouTube is going to recommend the one that is best for your viewer. After you click on this box for playlist, you click on it. Now this is the playlist. You click on this pencil line, it will bring you to your playlist. Now you be the one to select the playlist you want to be recommended to your viewer, right? So now let's click on this particular playlist, so it will appear here. So you see this subscribe cycle, you click on it, then it will bring you to this place. So you see subscribe Lizzie the creator, and you click show this avatar card. So you click on save. Make sure you click on save, because whatever you do here and you did not save, just know that you did not do anything. So now the next on our list, we come to cards. So these cards now, cards is just those small it appears in front of your video at the top. So there's a select a type of card to begin. So you might choose video, you want playlist, and you want channel. So if you want video, you just click on this plus sign and choose any video of your choice. Let's click on this video. Let me show you what we are talking about. So are you seeing all your videos? You're going to choose the one that you want for this particular video. Now let's take playlist. Let me show you. So you see your playlist too. If you choose any of these playlists, it's going to appear in front of the video. So if you click on this channel, now you come to this place, search for your name, Lizzy the Creator. Lizzy the Creator. So this is me here. I click on it. So it will bring you to this place where you see custom message and teaser text. So you be the one to write here. Maybe you want them to, the one that wants it to appear, either please subscribe or subscribe for more. Please subscribe. Or you still put in this teaser, subscribe for more. For more, right? Where you want this particular subscribe button to appear in the video, you come here and set it. You drag this down here. You want it to appear here. So you want it to appear at this middle of the video. It will appear at the middle of the video. You see it over here, subscribe for more. These features is very important in your video. You have to make use of them. The three of them works together: playlist, end screen, and cards. They all work together. So we have to ignore the fact that we think for us to implement this in our video is very long. They will be looking for shortcuts. Just do it. Just take your time and do it. If you really want results in your video, if you want to boost your views, if you want to get subscribers, if you want to boost your watch hours, all these things are very important, and we have to make use of them. So if you feel this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video so to get a whole lot of people. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. See you on our next video, guys. Bye.